Hello, wonderful people. You are welcome to this channel once again. My name is Ghaneva, and if this is your first time watching, you are really welcome. If you always watch my videos, thank you so much, and you are welcome as well. So, as we all know, in every business, there is challenges in every business. You can't tell me that you are doing a business and you are not finding any challenges in that business. So, in today's episode, we are going to talk about Nigeria importation challenges. So, I've ordered from Nigeria about four I think 3 to 4 times now, and I found a lot of challenges in Nigeria importation. So today I'm going to make a video for someone out there if you are planning out to also import from Nigeria as well. So the first challenges that I have with Nigeria importation is the paying agent high rates. Paying agents has high rate, not even only one person. The paying agents, all of them, they have high rate. But I've made a course of paying agent in Nigeria that I gave you each and everyone's rate. Though the rates are not always stable, it depends on the dollar that would let us know that we are having this rate at this month or this rate at that month. But I've rated these paying agents with how they often give out their rates. So I've given out if the paying agent rate is high, I'll let you know in this. If the paying agent rate is low, if it is moderate, I'll also let you know, and ways that you can chat this paying agent and negotiate with them as well so that they would consider you, especially when you are buying a lot of naira. So check the description box to get access to this paying agent at a very low cost. Yes, they are not for free. So challenges that I have with Nigerian paying agents is that they charge a lot. They really charge a lot. I was recently using two, and a friend gave me one, which it wasn't free. I paid for it. And comparing the one that she gave me to the two that I already have, I was like, so this is the amount of money I've been paying for people for free, while this one really has a very good rate. So that's the challenge that I have in Nigerian importation. Some paying agent, their rates, it's a lot. The second challenge too that I have is supplier delay of communication. Supplier delay of communication. I don't know, but I think this round true with every supplier. It doesn't matter if you are in China or Nigeria, because most suppliers, they would use an excuse of they are working with a lot of people. So please, I'm not getting that time to reply you, or I am a mom of this, so I'm not getting this time to reply you. Of course, it can be some hours, but delay me in some days. You can't tell me that with those excuses. So suppliers, some of them, though it's not all of them, some of them would delay you. But when they keep delaying you, please do what? Keep on testing them. Keep on testing them. Another third challenge that I have with Nigerian importation is a lot of transport charges, especially from the driver. The drivers that will bring your things from Nigeria to your location. I'm in Ghana, so I will use myself an example. There's drivers that would bring your things from Nigeria to Ghana. They charge really a lot. Sometimes they charge to the extent of those charges are more than the price of the items that you've ordered from Nigeria. And I was so lucky to pay these transfer charges because that time I was pairing with a friend to order these things. So when the transport charges came, it was almost half of the things that we ordered from Nigeria. So we shared these transport charges together. If not, another day to tell that story. So with transport charges, it's a lot. It's really a lot. The fourth point that I have here is high demand of charges from Nigerian drivers, as I said in the transport charges. And number five is annoying housekeepers. That's the warehouse keepers. So if your things get to your location, I'm in Ghana, so I will use Ghana as an example. If your things get to Ghana and when your things got to you are not close to that place, then the driver will give your things to a warehouse keeper. So this keeper, his or her job is to keep people's things for them as long as you would come to take. But the longer you take to come for them, the higher your price go up. So sometimes these warehouse keepers can be so I'm not saying all of them though. Yeah, I'm afraid to say maybe one of them is watching me. Sometimes they are sometimes their charges it's so annoying. It's so annoying. Sometimes he will tell you that if you don't come for your things early, your charges they are going up. So you better come for them. And sometimes it's just a pair of shoes. And guys, I've been through certain situations with these people. I remember when I was in lecture room learning, and a housekeeper was trying to reach out to me. I just talked with him, and still he was trying to reach out to me. Would you come for your things? I said, please, I will come for it. Would you come? It was so annoying. Sometimes they are annoying, and even they won't calm down and talk with you on an issue that we all want to have some solutions with. They would raise their voice to exponent 100. Yes, they some are very I haven't met any housekeeper who is not annoying so far in with Nigeria Importation. Like all of them they are annoying, or maybe those people that I met they are annoying, but I'm using them to represent them all because they are annoying. If you're watching me and you are one of them, please, I'm sorry, but you guys are annoying. And the sixth point that I have here is delivery wahala. God has helped you to order your things. God has helped you for your things to arrive. God has helped you to get money to pay the driver who took your items from Nigeria to your location. Now, something that I really find it very challenging and frustrating and stressing me always out is the delivery. Whenever I'm able to bring out my things to Ghana by the shipping company, the last thing I'm always worried about is the delivery. Because sometimes you meet someone who is going to deliver your things to you and they don't have patience. It's not like you talk to them and you insulted them or you talk to them in certain ways that isn't polite. But naturally, I don't know, maybe they've been experiencing a lot of people that has turned them into those kind of character or behaviors. Because sometimes the delivery is a lot of wahala. Now, apart from the mental part of the delivery, let's talk about the financial part of the delivery as well. Now, two deliveries that you are going to pay if you are not close to the driver that brought your things from Nigeria to Ghana. I'm using Ghana because I'm in Ghana. Yes. Now, this driver is going to charge you. Those drivers, they charge you even more than the items that you bought. When the driver charge you, the driver would give it to a warehouse keeper or a housekeeper to keep that for you. Now, the housekeeper is going to charge you as well. Now, you would like to get your things in your location. You are also going to pay for someone to get your things from the housekeeper as well. Now, when that person is going to take it, that person is also going to take something from you. The person is not going to do it for free. There's nothing free in this world. When this person take that your items for you, and maybe with a delivery service, or that person would use the station car, those station car or delivery services, they are also going to take something from you. So with the financial part as well, it is also another wahala. With the mental part as well, another wahala. And with the physical part is that sometimes you get your things, and how these people handle your things, it's not good. Sometimes they would bring your things and they are dirty, they are not packaged well. Sometimes they unpackage it and they, I don't know what they want to find out in your package. They are looking out what are in your packages as well. And sometimes, guys, it's not easy with importation, okay, but there are a lot of benefit as well. I've done benefit in Nigeria importation, so you can check the description box. Click the title of this video to check the description box, and I'll put down the benefits of Nigeria importation there as well. So the seventh one here is the items might not be in good shape, just like I was talking about. Sometimes this person would throw it to the, I don't know, to the station car, like with the driver who brought it, how he will package it, or she would pack the things in the car. So always you need to talk to your supplier to package your things very well for you, because if they don't package it well, when it arrives, it's not going to be the same thing as you order. That fault wouldn't be from the supplier, but it would be from the driver who brought your things to your location. Sometimes they are not in good shape. That's your items. The eighth point that I have here is the quality of the items. This is what is popularly known as what you ordered versus what you got. Sometimes it's not like what you got wasn't the exact thing. Sometimes they are exact thing, but the texture of cloth item wouldn't be the same as you ordered. Sometimes the style of the cloth that they posted in the group that you bought wouldn't be the same style. What are you going to do? Are you going to send it back with a different money? That same money you can use for something important to do. So this is a challenge in Nigeria importation. Though I haven't found anything like this with China importation that I add to cart of certain clothes with this style, and when it came, it's a different style. I haven't experienced something like that. Though it was a watch with bracelet that I ordered. That's the recent unboxing video that I posted. The bracelet watch was supposed to be customized with love, but it came out that the bracelet wasn't the same thing, though the watch was the same thing. That's what I found out. So it means that it can happen in any importation. So sometimes it's not like you didn't get what you ordered, but you got it, but it wasn't the same color, it wasn't the same size, it wasn't the same texture, it wasn't the same style. That's another challenge in Nigerian importation. The ninth point that I have here is you can't return back items like China. We all know our African people. We all know you've ordered something from them and it has taken about 3 weeks or 2 weeks for the things to arrive in your location or your country, and when it came, it's about 2 weeks later that you're able to pay for deliveries and the rest so that you got it. And now you are about to tell me that, hello supplier, I found out that this is not exactly as I'm ordering, so I'm returning it back. These people won't accept it. These people, they won't accept it. So that's another challenge with Nigeria importation. For China importation, you can return it anytime. If you send picture of your items to them and you show them that this is spoiled, especially when your items are spoiled and you send the picture to them and it's their fault, you can send it back to them. And even if they say they won't take it, you can give it to your shipping company, and your shipping company will go and give it to them to demand another thing, another replacement for you. So that's another challenge with Nigeria importation. The last point that I have here on my point is you can't give reviews on others like China. So with Nigeria importation, since you can't buy it on a site, or if there is site, I don't know about that, but you can't buy on a site, and they're always in groups, with a WhatsApp group or Telegram group. So sometimes you don't even get to read comments of what people received. So sometimes you would also buy the same thing people have been complaining of. But if there were some reviews, maybe I bought something and it wasn't good, I will come and write it under that product. Or I bought something and it was good, I will come and comment under that product. But with Nigeria, you won't find any reviews anywhere. But with China, always I tell you to check reviews before you buy. So it's another advantage over Nigeria importation. I've said a lot of things in this video. If you have any challenges with Nigeria importation as well, please let us know in the comment section so we can also learn something from there. I hope that you've learned a lot of things from this video, and I'm glad that you've been able to learn a lot of things from this video. Before I end this video, please check the description box. I have a very free course package for you. Because you watched till this end, I have to give you as well free Nigerian suppliers contact, and how you would chat them so they know that you are your own boss in importation business. I've also added that as well in the course, and a lot of more things in the course. So check the description box and get access to this free course out of charges. But if you want paying agents, to check the description box as well. So I will end this video here. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please do what to like. And if you found this video very helpful, you know that this video really resonates with you and it has helped you in any way, then please do what to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share for a friend, for a family member, for your relative, and support this growing channel as well. I will end this video here. Until then, please stay very, very focused. Ghaneva Edge, deep inside, real success. Bye.